Hong Kong Chungking Mansions. I've heard a lot of negative comments about this hotel, but since we're traveling on a budget, let's try. Chungking Mansion is located in TST, a very busy city here in Hong Kong. So yeah, it's a bit crowded and a bit noisy. But if the budget is your problem, don't worry, Chungking Mansions got you. You can book a very affordable rooms in this building. So here what you can see when you enter the building. There's a lot of food store here. There's a mobile store here, clothing store, a lot of Indian men's, a lot of Filipino Indian foods, Filipino foods. Stall owner here are very friendly and very accommodating. Hi, madam, kain na.
Madaming biryani na po.
So we book our stay here at the 12th floor of the Chungking Mansion at the Maple Leaf Guest House. I can say that the place and the rooms here are small, but it's okay if you're just looking for somewhere to sleep while enjoying Hong Kong. Ito yung room namin. Ang room na to is for 3 person. Ito yung bathroom nila. Merong shower, may heater, may bidet. Malinis siya, mabango siya. Medyo maliit nga lang, pero okay na rin. Aarte ka pa ba, te? Ang mura lang ng stay mo dito. So, ito yung aming kama. May isang kama na single bed at may isang kama na double bed. Merong electric fan, may aircon. Malinis, wala namang amoy. Ang naririnig ko dito, amoy sigarilyo daw, pero parang wala naman. Hindi rin kami nangate nung natulog kami dito sa kama. Sabi nila marami daw surot o niknik. Wala naman. So far, hindi naman totoo yung chismis. Ito yung hallway nila. Medyo maliit siya. Pag may dadaan, mag-adjust ka na lang, te. Malapit din siya sa mga city attraction. Walking distance siya from the Legoland and the City of Lights. Sa first day namin dito sa Hong Kong, naglakad-lakad lang kami dito. I-feel mo, te, na nasa Hong Kong ka. Okay yung weather. March ito. Malamig. Baguio feels, yes. So, ayun nga, sa tingin ko, yung mga chismis tungkol sa Chungking Mansion, hindi naman siya totoo. Kasi sa stay namin doon, sa 3 gabing stay namin doon, maganda na yung tulog namin, hindi kami nabulabog. Sabi nila may mga maiingay daw tuwing gabi dahil sa mga Indiano. Wala naman, okay naman, mababait naman yung tao doon. Hindi ka mapapaano. Actually, nung 12 midnight nga lumabas pa kami. Ang daming tao, ang daming Indiano. Lahat sila friendly. Lahat sila naka-smile sa'yo. Oo, siguro i-approach ka nila para bibili ka sa paninda nila. Well, normal naman yun sa Pilipinas din, di ba? Pag may paninda ka at may foreigner, syempre aalukin mo ng paninda mo, te. Business is business. Ayun lang, so enjoy nyo tong video na to. Dito tayo sa Hong Kong magagala-gala. Basta ang masasabi ko lang, hindi totoo yung chismis about sa Chungking Mansion. Okay yung stay doon. Mura, malinis, presko, malamig yung aircon, at higit sa lahat, payapa. Walang niknik, hindi ka mangangate.